The 2026 Lexus RX 350 continues to demonstrate the brand's commitment to combining dynamic luxury with cutting-edge design, offering an exterior that balances sophistication and athleticism. The iconic spindle grille is expected to feature a more three-dimensional, mesh-like pattern, possibly with adaptive elements to improve aerodynamics. Framed with sleek chrome accents, it is seamlessly integrated into the redesigned bumper with larger air intakes, improving cooling and sporty aesthetics. More sleek and aggressively styled LED headlamps with optional triple-beam matrix technology make their debut, offering superior illumination. The L-shaped daytime running lights, DRLs, may adopt an elaborate new signature, while functional air vents on the hood or fenders may emphasize performance. Anticipate bright colors like solar flare orange or muted hues like graphite shadow, alongside sophisticated multi-layered finishes for depth. Matte paint options may cater to enthusiasts looking for a bold statement. Environmentally friendly manufacturing processes for the paint and recycled materials in the trim may align with Lexus carbon neutrality goals. Expect sharper character lines and a sloping roofline, blending coupe-like flexibility with SUV practicality. Flat-mounted door handles will probably make their debut, reducing drag and modernizing the profile. Standard 20-inch alloy wheels with a futuristic spoke design are likely to be present, complemented by an optional 22-inch variant. Aerodynamic wheel covers could improve efficiency, in line with Lexus sustainability goals. Full-width LED lights with geometric patterns could replace the traditional taillights, creating a striking look at night. The roof spoiler can be subtly extended to regulate airflow, paired with a sculpted rear bumper with integrated exhaust tips or diffuser-like elements for the F-Sport trim. A hands-free power liftgate with adjustable height settings and roof rails, optional or standard, maintain utility without sacrificing style. Building on Lexus' commitment to carbon neutrality, you'll get eco-friendly materials like UltraSuede made from recycled plastic, responsibly sourced open-pore wood trim, and optional vegan leather seats with premium textures. Anticipate a clean, driver-centric layout with a focus on horizontal lines to enhance spatial perception. A curved dual-screen setup can dominate the dashboard, combining a 14-inch touchscreen, Lexus interface, with a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster. Multicolored LED ambient lighting can trace the contours of the dashboard, doors and center console, with themes that can be customized to match the driving mode, e.g., soothing blue for eco, vibrant red for sport plus.